Number 11. Matter Architecture Garage Project. What you see here is not a cinematic set, such as a taxi or a transporter, but a real-life garage system in Auckland, New Zealand. The Matter Collective, recognized for their unconventional solutions in architecture and private residential design, completed the project. There was formerly a bedroom here. The designers repositioned a section of the structure to accomplish their proposal, fortifying the resulting niche, constructing a car lift, and creating a garage for 2 automobiles, all while retaining the original exterior. Furthermore, the barrier stayed unchanged, despite the fact that it had to be mechanized. Number 10. GazeBox 24. Parking vehicles such as motorbikes, quad bikes, and mopeds can be difficult. The issue is that there isn't usually covered parking nearby, and you frequently have to leave your motorcycle in the middle of the street in the rain or snow, completely exposed to malefactors. The GazeBox 24 is a little garage that can be installed practically any place. The ingenious construction shields the car from rain and UV radiation while also increasing safety and security. Each GazeBox 24 is handcrafted in Germany from high-quality materials. Number 9. Autostacker Parking Lift. A 2-car lift is a common and practical option. This device can withstand up to 6,000 pounds and is available in numerous variations. According to the designers, it is attractive, safe, and simple to use, and can be raised in about 55 seconds. It employs numerous patented solutions, such as the Door Sentry door protection system. Special rubber prevents accidental scratches and dents. The platform's creators even patented it as being appropriate for sports cars and vehicles with little ground clearance. These automobile lifts are ideal for both domestic and business use. For example, they will be quite handy at car museums and shows. On request, the company develops photorealistic models of any facility equipped with lifts. You only need to send in the room plan. Number 8. CarDock. Because of the ever-increasing quantity of cars on the road, companies all across the world are worried about the development of parking facilities that are both convenient and save space. This is the car lift at the CarDock, a parking method that allows you to park one automobile below another. As a result, one parking place can accommodate 2 cars at the same time. This style is very suitable for private homes if the owners do not have adequate space in the garage or yard. A vehicle dock is a car lift that dramatically expands parking options. It may transfer a car to an underground parking lot or be utilized as an independent parking lot. It is powered by electricity and moves at a rate of 0.15 meters per second. The platform's dimensions are 5.3 by 2.6 meters, and its carrying capacity is 2 to 3 tons. As a result, the car lift is ideal for parking nearly every automobile. Installation of the lift takes between 5 and 15 days, depending on the technology used. Number 7. GazeBox. When you don't have the space or the money for a property with a garage, you shouldn't leave your automobile protection to a sheet that looks like a pool tarp. GazeBox is a folding solution for individuals who want to protect their vehicle from the sun, hail, rain, wind, ice, birds, and other elements. You can also modify your GazeBox to include air conditioning, solar panels, a mini vacuum cleaner, and other features. If you don't need a place to keep your car, you can get the gazebo type, which is ideal for small events. GazeBox is a current choice for garage-less people looking for auto protection. Number 6. IdealPark. But why bother building a garage if you can hide your car underground? That is precisely the approach proposed by the designers of this lift. This strategy is appealing for a number of reasons. To begin, its upper portion might be clothed in a variety of beautiful materials. Second, depending on the addition, the capacity ranges from 5,953 to 7,716 pounds. Third, the elevator is outfitted with a suite of solutions from the Perfect Park firm. Thanks to the use of laser scanners, radar, and infrared barriers, there is no need to surround the platform with safety barriers. The control system is extremely sophisticated. IT includes a fingerprint scanner, automation, and remote maintenance. Number 5. Solar-powered retractable car garage. If you want to protect your car from snow, sun, and rain, you might be interested in this solar-powered garage. The price varies based on the model, ranging from $2,600 to $4,500. The structure includes a smart remote control and may also be controlled via a mobile application. The firm has models that use solar energy, but you can also get a garage that uses ordinary electricity. It only takes 22 seconds to open and close. The design is capable of withstanding winds of up to 20 meters per second and weight loads of up to 200 kilos. Number 4. AJ Automated Parking Systems. The manufacturer provides numerous versions, such as a parking tower, that may be customized to meet the needs of the customer. Because of the manufacturer's extensive experience in parking solutions, all alternatives are distinguished by low noise and vibration levels. There is also a complete security system and a safe escape system. One of the parking lots featured in the video can hold 257 cars. It is incredibly simple to park or retrieve your vehicle. All you need is a particular card. You can also enter more data via the touchscreen if necessary. The computer will automatically locate and deliver the appropriate platform, while the automobile owner may enjoy a cup of coffee or check their email. Number 3. Folding Box Garages. This German craftsman system will protect your vehicle from rain and robbers. It's composed of aluminum and features a sliding construction that allows it to be incredibly small. The interior of this system resembles an electrical armoire and has ample space for the motorcycle. In addition to tools and supplies, there are ventilation grills on the sidewalls. The system can be installed as a freestanding or wall-mounted box. The company offers 2 sizes and notes that all common brands and styles of bikes, from road to dirt bikes, will fit. Number 2. Vertical Rotary Car Parking System. Engineers in China are keeping up, as seen by this Chinese-made circular parking system. It is intended for public usage and is appropriate for high-density urban development. The control system engages the parking mechanism. The controller chooses the optimum path for the car to take along the circular road by spinning the building clockwise or counterclockwise. The parking can hold 6 to 12 cars depending on the model. It can be readily installed in the yard because to its compactness. However, the manufacturer is truthful. Despite all of the benefits, such as a straightforward control system, the solution is not widely used because it is considered fairly noisy and consumes more energy than other varieties. Number 1. Park Plus AGV. The AGV, Automated Guided Vehicle, system delivers vehicles from a secure storage vault into a private booth looking out for a quick escape, using self-charging battery-operated robotic devices. This system, which was implemented on Manhattan Island in the summer of 2016, was the first of its kind to use cutting-edge robotic parking technology to safely store and retrieve vehicles from a secure storage vault utilizing battery-powered robotic devices. Drivers use a touchscreen kiosk in the lobby to operate the system while watching the procedure on live video display screens.